Our next set.
Yeah.
This is Giftzza. Now, have you heard of Giftzza before?
I love Giftzza because she always has very unique things,
Yes.
fun.
And I mean, look at this. So you open up the box, and the surprise is on the inside. See, first of all, have personalized little things like you can put cookies together that has little caricatures on them, little treats, brownies, candies, things like that.
How does she do these great caricatures? I mean, they're like uncanny. You know who everybody is.
You know who everybody. You see the entire team up here. Even Robert Moses. She got Robert Moses, right?
I love it.
Dan Bowens to shine. She got everybody. You as well.
And then you can add it with like some fun candy or.
That's right. Right? Candy, cookies, and the gift prices, the boxes start somewhere around $49.
And does that include the caricature?
It does not include the caricature. That's an extra $19.99. However, you can get everything else done. The caricature right now, you're getting real close to Christmas, so that one you're definitely taking a chance. Now this here is something else that Giftzza put together.
Okay.
And this is a pancake set, which is also $49.99. That is $49.99. You get a pancake set. Comes with a beautiful candle. Smell this candle.
Okay,
here.
sounds good.
Rosanna, it is delicious.
And still, ooh, that is good. You still have time to order?
You still got time to order that. Again, if you want to do the caricature, that's going to be a little bonus. Exactly.
And what are these books?
Look at this cute book. Now, I don't know if you've heard of this. Merry Chrismukkwanzaa in New York.
Very inclusive.
It's very inclusive. It has 3 friends that go out there and they basically crash the Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade thing.
Yeah.
But they also learn about one another's culture and they show some respect. They have a good time in New York.
I love that.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah, beautiful.
And that's also online for sale right now. Giftzza.
Okay,
yes, indeed.
good to know.
Exactly. Let me find the price on that one. $14.99 for that one. Yes. And there's also a hot chocolate set, by the way, similar to what we have with the pancake set. So.
What do we got over here?
Okay. Personal gift set from Giftzza. She sent you a little something because she knows who you are. And is that the whole thing? Yeah, I believe so. What's going on there? Oh, that's the hot chocolate set that's in there. But I know she's got one set for you to go as well.
I love the hot chocolate set.
Isn't that look delicious?
Yes.
This time of the year, and tomorrow being the first day of winter, perfect thing for the holidays. Exactly.
Sure feels
Winter's
like winter.
Here. So what do you think? What do you think?
I like a lot of your gifts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
But you went to Gemma, and Gemma helped you out. Because
Gemma helped me out.
I could tell, like, you didn't know what the heck to do. And you said to Gemma, help me out.
She's already got it all set together. So, Gemma, thank you very much for handling this, and the guys over at Rothman's. And that next mug thing,